Who was the only Assamese representative in the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? অৰ্থাৎ ভাৰতীয় সংবিধানৰ খচৰা সমিতিত থকা একমাত্ৰ অসমীয়া প্ৰতিনিধি কোন আছিল? Correct answer B. And next question. The Pike system was a hallmark of which dynasty? পাইক প্ৰথা কোনটো ৰাজবংশৰ এক বিশেষত্ব আছিল? তো correct answer
3, 2,
C.
1.
And next question. Which Buddhist council was held during the reign of Ashoka? অশোকৰ ৰাজত্বকালত কোনখন বৌদ্ধ সন্মিলন অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছিল? Option C. And next question. The Battle of Itakuli was fought in which year? ইটাকুলি যুদ্ধ কিমান চনত হৈছিল? A, B, C, D. Which is correct?
3,
Correct
2,
answer is C.
1.
Next question. Which article deals with emergency provision? জৰুৰী অৱস্থা কোন অনুচ্ছেদৰ সৈতে জড়িত? তো correct answer is D. And next question. Who is the author of Discovery of India? Discovery of India কোনে লিখিছিল? A, B, C, D. Which is correct?
3,
Option
2,
B.
1.
Next question. Which is the smallest unit of life? জীৱনৰ আটাইতকৈ সৰু একক কি? A, atom. B, molecule. C, cell.
3,
Correct answer is
2, 1.
cell. And next question. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? কোন ধাতু সাধাৰণ তাপত তৰল থাকে? Iron, mercury, aluminum, copper. Which? Correct
3,
answer is
2,
B.
1.
And next question. What is the full form of GDP? GDPৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ ৰূপ কি? Gross domestic product নে কোনটো হয়? And correct answer
3,
is A.
2, 1.
And next question. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? ভাৰতৰ কোন ৰাজ্য আটাইতকৈ দীঘলীয়া উপকূল আছে?
3, 2,
ABCD.
1.
Correct answer is B. And next question. Which county is the largest producer of coffee? বিশ্বৰ আটাইতকৈ ডাঙৰ কফি উৎপাদক
3,
কোনখন?
2,
Correct answer is
1.
B. Next question. মৌলিক কৰ্তব্য কোন সংশোধনীত যোগ কৰা হৈছিল? A, B, C, D, 42, 44, 51, 61 amendment.
3,
Answer
2, 1.
is A. And next question is who among the following was not a part of Constituent Assembly? নিম্নলিখিত কোনজন সংবিধান সভাৰ সদস্য নাছিল?
3, 2,
Correct answer is A.
1.
Which is the longest mountain range in the world? বিশ্বৰ দীঘলীয়া পৰ্বতমালা কোনটো? Himalayas, Andes, Rockies, Alps. কোনটো হ'ব পাৰে? Correct answer is B.
3, 2, 1.
And next question. Which is the SI unit of electric current? বিদ্যুতৰ SI একক কি হয়? Volt, ampere, watt, ohm কি হয়? Correct answer is B. And next question. Which layer of atmosphere contains ozone? Ozone কোনটো স্তৰত থাকে? Troposphere, stratosphere. Correct answer is B. Stratosphere. And next question. Which gas is mainly responsible for global warming? Global warming বাবে মুখ্য দায়ী গেছ কোনটো হয়? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Correct answer is C.